Hey everybody, Jeffrey here. It's been 29 days, so it's time to take the plastic containers that I've been using as molds for some concrete pumpkins that I made. I also made 2 pedestals out of these containers. One's a plant pot and a coleslaw container from the grocery store. Also are these 6 pie plates and some tea light candle holders. The pie plates and the pedestals, I'm putting them up under some plant pots I have out in the yard. Let me show you one to give you an idea. So they're basically just turned upside down after they're fully cured. For these, probably about a week and they're done, even though they say 28 days, but these are kind of thin and they dry up pretty quick. So anyway, they're basically just put on the ground and you just put your pie pot on top of them. That way you don't have to have them sit in water when they're in saucers, especially after it rains. The ones that don't have them or anything underneath of them, sometimes you would think that, oh, the water will just drain out. Well, a lot of the time the drainage holes get clogged up, so this helps with that, to repel all the water. And then you can put compost or mulch or whatever on them if you're that vain and want to hide them. But back here are the pumpkins. The bag said 28 days, but I think that's more for other things like patios, etc. But I'm just kind of going by that. But it's actually been one more day. The weather has been good. We only had one day under 48 degrees, which was last week. So I put these in the sun for the past 3 or 4 days, so they should be good. I also remember last year when I did 2 of them, they were kind of tricky to take off, so I did line them with some oil, just some cooking oil from the house. So we'll see how it goes. It's time for the concrete pumpkin reveal. Haha, I think they turned out great actually. It took a little bit of coaxing to get them out of the containers. I used some scissors and the razor blade actually did the trick. When you're shopping, look for different faces. I might detail them up a little bit with a marker or something, because sitting out on the front porch they don't look as detailed, but these look really detailed compared to the ones that I've done. Anyway, I'll set them out on the front porch and maybe it'll scare somebody. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I also made 2 plant pots out of one of those molds that I use for the pedestals. I have the pedestals done, the candle holders done, the bottoms for plant pots out in the yard from those pie plates, and the pumpkins. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.